Hi, Monkey Man. Duncan is crawling. Are you following, Mommy? You're going to be 1 year old on Thursday. Today's Sunday. Yeah. Been crawling now for, I don't know what, 3 weeks maybe? A month? Been all over the place. Huh, you pulling yourself up on everything? Oh. There's your Monkey Man pajamas. Oh, bookcase. You like that sofa table, don't you? Hi, Monkey Man. You gonna make your Magoo face for me? Huh? Doodle. Magoo? Hey, Magoo. Hey, Magoo. Duncan, what are you doing? I don't want to look at your back. Hey. Hello. Hi. I don't want to look at your back. Okay. Uh-oh, what'd you do? What'd you do? You snapped your finger. Don't do that. All right. Say bye-bye for now.